So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Stephanie, and for today I would like to show you my study area. Well, I originally wanted to make a room tour, but I'm still not done cleaning my room, and I feel like I'm going to take up so much of your time since I have a lot of things to show you. And so anyway, without further ado, let's start. So guys, here's my table. Well, it's actually beside my bed. And yun yung reason why I prefer studying out kasi nakakatulog ako. So pag wala na talaga akong choice and if I have a lot of exams, dito na. So I have here my laptop, my printer. Well, I have these. This was from before pa, but nasa middle siya. Tapos I chose to put it here sa side to give way for this one. Pero ayun nga, nilagay ko siya dyan just for some inspiration and for some reason, nandito pa rin yung periodic table. I don't know why. I usually have a, ano yun? Yung, wala, anong tawag dun? Lost ako bigla. Yung extension cord, but inalis muna namin kasi nasa baba kami lagi tumatambay. And I have here random stuff. Well, these things are actually mga stuff na hindi na magkasya sa storage. Mostly, mga wala naman siyang laman. So, if I need things, I will just get it from there. And here naman, this is actually a 5-level shoe rack that we got from Lazada. So, yung other half niya, nasa ibang lugar dito sa room ko, which I will show you guys pag natapos ko siyang linisin. But here, so, yun yung gamit ko. Well, I have here thumbtacks because I don't know where to place them. And ito, random stuff that I bring all the time, like napkins, power banks. Here, well, on the first official level is ito dito sa small crate. I have box of blue ball pens that I got from my dad. I have here Muji markers that I got from Hong Kong, the airport. I just really like buying pens. I have colored pencils, like a lot of colored pencils. Because sometimes when I have nothing to do, I color stuff. And then here on another is like the things that you can stick on things. Like I have tapes, like I have different kinds of tapes that have designs. It's not particularly washi tapes, but some are like the plastic ones. And then I have different types of glue, like glue stick, the glue, and then I have double adhesive tapes, magic tapes. I just have them. I don't know why. And then here are the completely random stuff. Like I have this egg. It has a toy inside. I don't know why I have it, but I just can't throw it for some reason. Then a bookmark that was given to me by my ate that says "Never give up" and has a stethoscope. Then different sizes of Ziplocs. I don't know why I have them. Then if you guys know like labeling stuff, I have them too. Well, my dad actually has a lot of these. But ito na lang yung kinuha ko. And then yung mga bala niya, dito rin. And then some stuff that you can stick on the wall or something. I don't know. But meron ako nito. I forgot ko anong tawag dito. Do you remember what it's called? So the one you use for circles. Pero kasi, nauso naman yung templates. Which is nandito ko din nilalagay. Compass. Ayun, compass. Meron din ako yan. And then on the second level, well, kasi since it's a shoe rack, it's really difficult to put things. Kasi malaki yung spaces niya. But I have here clipboard and then, well, it's color red. If I was the one who bought it, it would be pink. Pero since it was from an org, kaya color red. So, kinuha ko na lang since ako naman yung naghahawak nung, like, yung mga gamit before. And then, I have here a book stand. I don't actually read like big books. I prefer my books photocopied kasi mahal yung mga libro. So parang nahinayang ako i-highlight at kasulatan. So yung ginagamit ko or mga manuals if I have to write down some things or kinakopya ko, nilalagay. Then I have here my portable lamp. See? It's also rechargeable. Yeah. Well, yeah, portable because it's rechargeable, but it's also a power bank. Then, I have here a gift from my mom from Christmas. Well, sabi niya since I'm working sometimes, ako na lang daw yung magpa-frame. But it's a sunflower. I really like sunflower and roses and tulips. Well, I like flowers because they're all beautiful. So, beautiful, whatever. It was here naman, I have a lot of like these. Like, I think I have 3. But here, I've decided to place my adapters. Extra charger, and some, since there's like G drive naman, Dropbox, so, but I still have flash drives, just in case I have to print something, para hindi na magbabayad if I have to email stuff online, you know. Then, sharpener and puncher, but, I don't know, may gumagamit pa ba ng puncher? Matagal na kasi to, like grade school pa ako. Then here, bigla na lang sila dumami. I don't know how, but, or it's probably because I bought them sets. Well, I have 3 kinds of I don't call them markers because like markers, but you can still use them for writing sa notes. So I have 3 kinds. The first one na gustong-gusto ko talaga is yung Dong-A Hexa Plus. Well, I usually buy this, yung nakaset siya, set of 10. But sometimes, I buy extra pink, green, pink, purple. Isa-isa sila. And orange. And then, itong stabilo ko, na, ito, I don't know kung may set sila, pero binipili ko sila isa-isa. Usually, kapag wala lang, gusto ko lang, like, for example, I like different shades of pink. So, iba-ibang shades of pink meron ako. And ito naman, ito yung pinaka-okay sa akin. But I got this from Korea when I went to Everland. It's Monam plus 10, 3,000. But it says here that it's made from Thailand, so I don't know. I got these na set of 24 ata or 48, but it comes in different sets. I'm not sure if they're selling this na tigi isang piraso, and I haven't seen any like this here sa Philippines. Yeah, and dahil wala na kaming Tupperware container, ito na lang. Not sponsored video. So here naman, ito yung mga madalas nyo nakikita sa mga Pinterest. Kasi acrylic, I originally wanted everything to be acrylic, but it's very expensive. Like, it's less than 2,000 just for this alone. But this was with us like ever since I was young. But since it's pink, I took it from my mom. This one also. So, quick lang. Dito. Sige, pero malapit na. So, here, I have different kinds of ball pens. Different colors na nothing in particular. Basta naipon na lang sila dyan. And then, here, I have basically yung mga refill ko. Refill ng ball pens, stock ng correction tapes, and then erasers, refill ng erasers, refill ng glue gun, ng correction, refill din ng corrections. I have sharpeners also. Well, although syempre uso lang ngayon yung mechanical pencil, but sometimes when you take tests, they won't allow you to use mechanical pencils. Kaya meron ako dyan para just in case pang sharpen ko pagka nag-exam. Then here are my calculators. Well, this one is my calculator nung nasa college ako. Pero nung nag-board exam ako, this is not allowed, so I have to buy a new one. Pero nasa baba pa siya. Ito sa dad ko, the old calculator yan. So here are yung mga pang document stuff. I have the small ones. I have these. I don't know kung anong tawag dito. Pero I got them nung high school pa ako because we usually make scrapbooks. And then ito yung para magdikit-dikit sila. And I have other sizes also. Like, I have big ones and then the medium-sized ones. Well, I got these for my mom. I just bought the small ones because I find them cute. So anyway, ito na. Yung pinaka sana all acrylic na lalagyan ko. Well, I got this for very cheap lang naman. Kasi ito yung lipstick. I think it's like 25, 29 pesos at Shopee. Mas mahal pa yung shipping fee niya. So anyway. So sa first level tayo. I have different kinds of markers here. They're all permanent markers. Well, I have Sharpie. Mga Sharpie na makakapal. I remember buying this na set. And then, ito, hindi siya set. Ito yung... Pero kasi you can't really use a Sharpie when writing down notes kasi nakita sa likod. yung stuff, likod ng paper. So, I have them. So, yung dalawang klase ng Sharpie na meron ako. Then, I have here yung Faber-Castell or Faber-Castell. I don't know how this is pronounced, but I have set this also then. Na ganito. Is this one? I remember buying this from someone sa groups ulit sa DLSU for a very cheap price. That's why I decided to get them. I think nasa 20 plus pieces din siya. So here are my different kinds, colors of ball pens. Here, ito yung usually that comes with set or yung madami siyang colors. Like, for Muji, I have 0.5. I also have 0.38. For G-Tech, I have 0.4. No, 0.3 and 0.5. Well, I have one ball pen na 0.4 from my friend that she got from Taiwan, pero wala. Set ng G-Tech, I have them. This is juice, pilot juice. Pero I have the ones lang yung glitter effect na set. And my friend got me this, yung, I don't know kung anong brand to, pero iba-ibang colors din ito. Basically, ito yung mga ball pens na hindi siya marker type na ginagamit ko when I do downloads. And of course, as a student, I have a lot of highlighters because I have a lot of readings. My favorite highlighter so far is yung sa Muji. Ay! Sorry! Oopsie! Ito, sa Muji na highlighter. Yung window. Before, tuwan-tuwa ako sa retractable nila, but I came to like this kasi parang na siyang marker and wala lang, parang feeling mo ang galing mo mag-highlight pag ito yung ginagamit. Tapos, ito rin, when it comes to highlighters, parang between this and this, mas prefer ko gamitin yung itong maninipis, yung swing. Pero ito kasi, nas from Stabilo, parang nahihirapan ako kasi malaki siya. Pero, I have ganito kasi kapag lumalabas ako tapos kailangan ko ng highlighter, laging ito lang yung available sa mga small stores na napupuntahan ko. Then, ito, parang ako nag-hoard ng. Pero ito kasi galing sa dad ko din kasama nung box of pencils. Then, sa taas nito ng mga highlighters, I have here an eraser. And I have, ito lang yung mga whiteboard markers na meron ako. Sila nakalagay. And then, I still have refills of mechanical pencils. I know I have a lot. I have like I have a lot of mechanical refills. Then, scissors. I have, ito yung magic pencil. I don't know how you guys call this, but during my elementary days, we call it magic pencil. And yon, permanent markers, scissors, that's what I have there. Tapos dito, these are random stuff, I think. Yeah, I have here, I have a lot of staplers. I'm sorry, guys. And then, cutter, tapos refill ng cutter. Tapos mga bala na stapler. Oh my gosh, ang dami talaga. Tapos dito, like random stuff. Because I really, put an effort with my scrapbooks before ng high school. Ito yung mga natira. I have a single hole puncher here also. Tapos dito naman, I have index cards that comes in different sizes. And then, some sticky notes. Yeah, and then, hindi ko alam ba't may ampaw dito. Is it ampaw? Ampaw dito. Tapos, wala lang, I put this lang. Itong dalawang to. My best friend got this nung nag-Korea kami. Sa mga arcade, kasi mahilig siya sa ganun. Tapos pinakuha ko sa kanya. Some medicines, and then the ball pen that my friend gave me nandyan. Kasi nasira ko siya. I'm sorry. Pero din-display ko yung box na. So, yun. So, ito yung sa this part of my room. My study area.